Papa, you sent for me.
Yes, my son. Isn't that my son?
Papa.
I know you'll be disappointed at me. Because other fathers give their male child something to build their life with. But I gave you nothing.
Papa, let's not worry about that for now. Let us focus on your health first.
Thank you. You know that our piece of land in Igbo Junction?
Yes, I do. That's our only piece of land.
Yes. Yes, my son, please. I want to beg you something.
What is it, Papa?
You see, that piece of land is the only treasure our forefathers handed over to us. All my life, all the hardship I've been through, there was so much pressure for me to sell that land, but I refused to do it. Please, I don't want you to sell that land. I know that the temptation will be there because the value keep rising because of the site, because of the development around that area. Please, my son, I beg you not to sell that land. Any of your siblings within our lineage that make money, let him use that money and build a country home on that land. Let it be a family house. Please, my son.
Okay, Papa. Alright, Papa, I promise you I will not sell it.
Thank you. I take you by your word. I'm happy. Thank you, my son.
Right.
Please give me water.
Water to drink?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, Papa. I brought you the water. Papa, sit up so you take the water. Papa? Papa? Hey, Papa? Papa? Hey, Papa? Hey. Papa? Hey, good. Yeah. Hello? Yes. What? How? It's impossible. This cannot be happening. No, this cannot be happening. Hello? Yes, put me on the next available flight to Lagos. Today, yes. Alright, thank you. See you, my brother. Welcome, Bobo. What can you hear? What can you hear? Hey, my brother. Good to see you. Good to see you. Thank you. Hey. Send you. First of all, good to see you again. You too. I wrote the game, man. Okay. I wrote the game, man. Hey.
Mommy!
How are you, my little angel?
I'm fine. Auntie Felicia came here today.
Did she bring anything for me?
Yes, she did. It's inside.
Oh. Where is Dada?
She went to get something.
And she left you alone in this house?
I was doing my homework when she left.
Doing your homework all by yourself?
Yes, Mommy.
Bring it, let me help you.
Okay.
Meanwhile, I got you this.
Thank you.
After your assignment. Drop it. Which subject?
English.
Okay. You're almost done. Dash is a name of person, animal, place, or things.
Now.
Now. Write it.
One Alume.
What is it?
Your brother is in a bad condition. I'm telling you.
Talk to me. There's no problem without solution.
Alume. Ifele mekwo odogwu.
Come on. Ifele ama modogu. Eh? Ijele. Ifele ama modogu. Tell me.
I just returned from Dakar not too long ago. I shipped goods. Goods worth over 500 million naira. The goods were confiscated.
What?
I'm telling you. Seized.
How?
I've asked them, tell me the problem, let me sort it out. They don't want to tell me anything. Seized my goods. I've been going for this thing. I'm going mad.
This is a very tough one.
Release my goods, they refused. I don't know what to do.
This is a tough one. How are we going to start this?
Now I'm just thinking. I want to start a business. I still have little money with me. That's why I came to you. I know you're connected. You know a lot of businesses. Tell me a business I can start with the little money I have. At least let me be making something daily while I'm hustling for them to release my goods.
Ijele, I understand your plight. But the point now is that my own kind of business requires a whole lot of experience and knowledge for you to be able to do it. But what I will do is I will help you. I will help you make sure that all your goods, that you gain it back.
Huh?
Yeah. I will help you.
You'll do it for me?
Yes, I will do it for you.
Senisi, are you serious?
I am serious. I will help you. This is what I do for people, so I'll still do the same.
My brother, God will bless you.
All
right. You don't know what this means to me. 500 million naira worth of goods. Seized just like that. I need to sell these goods so I can bounce back.
I know. You will bounce back, my brother.
You will do this for me.
I said I will do it for you. What are friends for?
My brother, thank you.
It's all right.
See, I promise you, I will remain indebted to you forever.
Don't worry. You'll be fine.
You will do it for me.
I'll do it for you.
Thank you.
And a million dollars or what was your one? Eh?
Hi.
I need book. I want much. Huh?
Thank you.
I'll do it for you.
Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir.
Okay. I thought you said we were coming to a native doctor's house.
Yes. Are you surprised?
Yeah, native doctor's house.
Hey. Yeah. Didn't dare say I na chum. Ah. You said he say.
Kamere.
Bodike.
Kamere.
Bodike. Dike ni lo gbo echi ni room maka GPS.
Kamere.
Orí mi ada 30 minutes. Kolo bi oyibo. Sit. Sit.
Okay.
Sit. Hey. Ofu gbo Kalibia Kalibia. Nye kwa ife mu ndie. Doesn't this have mmanya? Amoro na iwo makale be dike. So what do I owe this august visit?
My very good friend. Yeah, he is having problem. So we have come to see how you can help him. You know, he married Otise Merendozo, which I'm one of the evidence.
Iwana nwanne webe edi. Achọghị isi ọchụ eje n'ụzụ. Ọmụ bụ oke mmiri izu ọgụ. Ọmụ na-agụ arụ. Awata ebe na-abụ nnukwu onye oke ọgwụ. Mmiri na-alị ugwu, mmiri na-eli ohere egwu egwu. No. Zeri said, did you tell him that he has come to a final destination?
Yes, of course.
Gonna be Oyibo.
Okay, Millie. Please help me. Help me.
Chalo, hold on. Ijele ndị Igbo na Dakar. Nwanne? Okay, the bay. Udogu. Your multi-million naira goods were confiscated.
He said?
I didn't tell him anything, no.
Are you surprised? You don't need to. You know, go Udogu. No boy, you just can't have to akabo Udogu. I don't see what you go. I didn't see when you go. You can have one eye, my way, no, I'm okay. It's leave why. Oh, no. My house is like a mirror. Once you are before me, your heart is like a book. Everything about you will appear before me. You get it? In few days, you will go back to Dakar, and those who seized your goods will release your goods. Few days. That is what I said. And my coca gamado. Amma boke mmiri izu ọgwụ awata ebe na abụ nwa mmanwụ na-agwụ arụ onye oke ọgwụ enwere m ọgwụ na-egwu okwu ịchọ ka mgbe film ka ọ na-eme ka ọ na-ebe ka mmanwụ gbọ dọmme akanyo otu aka m kwulie.
Okay, Millie. What do I have to do?
Mbele yi dike mana onye mbele ka eji ama dike. Egbe okwa na-arụ n'ọkụ ebune ọrụ nkụ nya bụ na abandoned property mmụọ na-egwu ana m akọkwa ka mmadụ ka ana m akọ ka mmụọ. Oke ite
That huge amount of money for just Okite. Now, okay. How can you advise me to take that kind of risk? That will be my end.
Well, Maya. My brother. Life is all about risk. Etiokwe, Eriokwe, Onyoja Baba.
Now, Amandi Okwem. Amandi Okwem. You can't just go like that. I agree. In life, you take risks. But listen, let me ask this question. If I find this money and give to this your man, and it doesn't work, will I get a refund?
Pastor on about refund.
Oh, you see?
Eh?
You see?
Pastors on about refund. Considering your line of business, you should know better. Yes. You need to be strong-hearted. You need to be willing. You need to be a strong man. Let me be honest with you. Okemiri Izogo is not a small boy. He has boys. Plenty places. I swear to God. In America, in Canada, in Kuala Lumpur, in Asia, in Qatar, in Turkey, Dhaka. Mention it. My brother, you need to have heart. You need to have heart. With him, you will bounce back. He's a mini God. When I mean mini God, he's a mini God. He doesn't just say things without fulfilling it. So you need to be strong-hearted. Come on, bro. Yes.
I'm supposed to go back to Dhaka and continue my business. If I run around and get this money and give to your guy, I won't even see money to travel with. How do I go back?
Your community is developed. You can sell your landed property.
I have only one piece of land given to me by my father. It's my only inheritance.
Desperate time calls for desperate measures. My brother, sell it. If you sell it, by the time you bounce back, you can buy it 1 million times. Even the same land, you can still go back and buy it any amount. You get boutique one okitabre yomas.
So how much will I pay for the Okite?
Because you came through my friend, Okwakam, ịmarụ na nwanne nwebe di. Mụ na ise dị ka aka ekpe n'utu ọrụ. Eji aja asị na nwatakịrị ọbụla nwaanyị ọbụla mara oke mma ahụ eche echiche bụ mgbada ya na-akwụ ụgwọ. Esi nwere ajụ ụtọ ọgaranya. Kpọ, akamadịrị ya kpọ, mmụọ na-ekwunu 50 million naira.
50 million naira for just Okite. That's too much now. It's too much. Okay, Mire. I believe you can see through my heart, like you said. You should also be able to see through my bank account. I'm telling you, Nleka, I don't have that kind of money.
You gonna be where you go? You're go Okite. I won't hear I'm gonna Okite. Okay, you can get it cheap. Obrom ka na-enye. I am not the one you're giving. Mmụọ na-ekwu na obrom nwa. Ara esi onye nwere ibobo ngo. Enwe m nnukwu ọgwụ na-ekwu okwu. Ọ bụrụ na iburu eruo, they will release your goods. That's what I said. He said, I was talking to a deputy governor before you called. I see your friend is not ready.
Wait. Give me, wait. All right, at least can I negotiate? Let me pay 30 million naira, please.
You know, because you keep on no say. You know, that supermarket. You know, moto eji we na achi. Dakar moto ka eji eje. You know, ekwe moto onu. 50 million naira or nothing. Or if I'm more simuku. I will not do the one I will go back inside my shrine and begin to battle the spirit. No. This is if I'm more not my own decision. And if I'm not going, nah. I'm already ready. It was yam. Okay. Hey! Nano maya na choita I want to anu nchimanu anu nama. Kolobi oyibo. Ebe abo onye ogwu nke mmiri na-ebu ogwe nwa mmanwụ na-agụ arọ ya wọta ebe na-akpụ. Ọmụ bụ ngangwa ngandi. Na riwe na-ekwu ịkwa aja efu ọgụ dibịa balụ nzu n'anya ọfụwa ndị mmụọ maka ha tupu a na-afụ ndị mmụọ. Ejiri ogene edu onye ụjọ and ejiri ọja edu onye mkpụmkpụ. Na riwe na-ekwu jee chee ego ka afịa gị nata. Ise na ise ka ọ bịa dịka enwe amara ya. Bịa kedu ụmụ arụ ọnwa kwado unu m nri ji na ofe egusi ka ọ dị m n'ahụ. Yeah.
We'll go.
Ijele. He said, help me. He said, help me. I'm your brother. Help me.
Ijele, I've done the best I can. Ijele does not need fishes. What you need is nets to fish.
I have 40 million naira right now. I need 10 million naira. Give me a loan. Give me a loan of 10 million naira. I will pay back with interest.
You're begging me as if I can't help. No. You remember what Okemiri said? That every dime must come from your resources. And that's the only way the Okite will be effective.
That land I told you about is my only inheritance. I cannot sell it. I can't.
Ijele, why are you getting... Oh, for Christ's sake. I don't know why you're getting worked up. You're just getting worked up unnecessarily. When you know that Okite will make you a billionaire. And when Okite makes you a billionaire, you will go. Now go and even go onye bien Okite. Come on, bro. Why are you stressing yourself? Yeah? Okite ga back ogaranya. The same land in question, when you bounce back, you buy it back. Come on, why are you stressing yourself?
Thank you. I came to you first because in the past you've shown so much interest in that land. Yes, more than other people.
So, what have you decided to do? Are you now willing to sell the land?
Not really, Chief. I need a loan, please. Soft loan. I need 10 million there. A loan. I'll pay you back, I promise. Yes, we'll put it down, we'll do an agreement. I'll pay you back. I can even pay back with interest. You know that land is worth up to 20 million naira or even more. But what I need is 10 million naira and I'll pay back, I promise.
Izuna. Well, if you look around my compound, you wouldn't see the signboard of a bank. Izuna, I do not give loans. If you need a loan, you go to the bank, apply for one. They will give it to you. Una.
Alright, Chief. What if we do it this way? I lease the land to you. 5 years. Yes, 5 years on lease. You can do anything you want on the land for 5 years. You give me 10 million naira. After 5 years, I will give you 20 million naira and I have my land back.
Izuna, I will only be interested in that land if you're willing to sell it outrightly. Otherwise, akam okum adagya. Sell it now, eh?
I cannot sell it. I will not sell that land. It's my only inheritance.
Okay. Let me make you an offer. You said the land is worth 20 million naira, right? Good. I'll purchase that land for double that price. Is that okay?
Asịkwa m na nọ n'iru ka a na-akpọ oke enwe. Gbụrụ abụ ka ekwe na-akpọ dike ọgbọ ya na ndụ ọgbọ ya n'ọnwụ. Nọ ihe m kwu na ihe a na-agwọta bụ oke ite. Agwọcha anya osumodie di a. Osumodie. Onye ekwere ekweteli ya. Maka na ọkwa n'isi kara aka na-egbu ogidi, isi akara aka bụ ogidi anyị jee ya onu. Nọ n'iru ka a na-akpọ oke enwe. A sị na ụkpara nweta izu ezu na ọ na-agbanyụ ọkụ. Nnọọ ibe m kwu akịrị gbakwara m ọgba nwunye di m onye si na nke m ameme anyị na-aba nọdụ n'ife nye m anyị bụ ịgbakwa n'ọsọ. Ibe anyị na-eme taa bụ oke ite. Oke ite oke ọgwụ. Nọọ ibe anyị na-agwọ taata. Agwọta anya ịpali afụga. Once you step your foot out of this my house, this my shrine, this my chambers. Ọ na-eme. Ọkwa na-agba. Those who have sworn to seize your fortune will release it. Ọmwa bụ oke mmiri na-ebu ogwe. Mmanwụ na-agụ arọ. Awata ebe na-akpụ. Ụlọ ka nji apala afọ ime asụrụ ọra nni. Ọ ya adịrị anyị mma na-eke n'oye na abọ na nkwọ. Oisi fụrụ anyị atụ nkwa oke ife ya amajikwe n'ihe onu. N'ọyịwe ngọ n'ọlọ. Oke ite. Arọ do ndoriko. Nyekwu unu weta aka nni na anụ weta aka nni. Nnakwu unu weta aka ebe na akwa unu weta aka ebe. N'ọkwa nwata ka mbụ na anụ masakwa arụ na abọ na asịkwa m ọgwụ nyamalile nyama na nsọ n'ọyịwe nkwu. Unu meela anyị iwe ọma maka unu rụọ nnukwu ọrụ na-elie nnukwu aja. Asị na oke dibe chụọ aja ọ dịka ewere anyị ndị mmụọ n'aka. Nsị na ọ ya adịghị mma na-eke n'oye na abọ na nkwọ n'ọyịwe ngọ n'ọbọ. So esi na nke anyị na-eme ama bụ uru nke abana kwa uru. Esi na nke anyị ama epu nya akụ na akụ ncha na ibe ngọ n'ọbọ. Arọ okite olukwe gba ja para bi ma sụrụ ọra nni. Ka mpa ego okite ka itu onye afa. Itu onye afa ka ọ fụa. Ọ na-aba akwa aja afụ ọgụ mgbe dike. Hey! Hụrụ oke si eru na njapala bi ma sụrụ ọra nni ka kwa nnene. Na gote mgbe nne m ji agwa m okwu, ọsịmọdụ Igbo nwa m gora n'oke ite aka nsị akpọ. Ọ bụ na ọnwụ na-egbu ndị na-agwọ n'oke ite na-ekeghi ite na ọkịda ya anwụ wee rutu m n'ọnwụ. Ọkwa nne tuo m oke mmiri na-egbu ogwe.
Oke mmiri.
Nwa mmanwụ na-agụ arọ. Nwa mmanwụ na-agụ arọ. Kedu ihe anyị emede abana wee sụọ ya nni ọrụ utu dike mụrụ odogwu mana odogwu a na-amarụ ndị aka. Ọkwa nne arọ. Lekwa nụ nkwụ. Oke ite na mee chekwa anyị nkwụ nwa tata. Nkwụ ike dị iwe. After giving you this nkwike, go to those who have sworn that they will confiscate the fortune of Ijere na Dakar. Voloku voiva n'anya. Mmanya bụ ụlọ ma aṅụrụ mmanya. Agụnekwenu mmanya ọkụ, okitenekwa mmanya ọkụ. Denu voloku voye ndị ahụ n'anya, ndị ahụ ji afịa. Those people that have seized his container, his goods. Unu nwụcha mmanya ọkụ ụwa. Ọkụ nwuwe na bebe. Ngwa yiri. Asị gị nyiri ka ịpara oke ite. Oke ite nwa ngwa ama emegbu m. Nọ ndị mmadụ nwe nke ga-ama aghọ m. Ọnne ibe nkwu. Ya oke ọgwụ, oke ite oke ọgwụ. Ọ na-anụkwa tatatata ka ị marụkwa. Ọ na-anụkwa tatatata. Ngwa pado aka na abọ ka ị ga-eji pado na-eni anya kpọbi oke ite. Tụọ onye oke ite oke ọgwụ. Ọnne maka na ebe mmadụ na-eje eli gwọ ụgwọ ka ọ na-eli ejide ụgwọ. Ihe egbu n'aka nni, ihe egbu n'aka ekpe, ihe egbute. Ọnnene. Ihe eje, ihe ana. Kwuo nwa nkwu ya, ihe egbu n'aka nni, ihe egbute.
M egbu n'aka nni, m ga-egbute.
Ihe egbu n'aka ekpe, ihe egbute.
M ga-egbu n'aka ekpe, m ga-egbute.
Ihe akọ, ọ ga-amị.
Mma akọ, ọ ga-amị.
Ihe akụ, ọ ga-amị.
M ga-akụ, ọ ga-amị.
Ndị kirikiti ọkpa ga-enye gị, ndị nnekwute ọkpa ga-enye gị.
Ndị kirikiti ọkpa ga-enye m, ndị nnekwute ọkpa ga-enye m.
Tụọ onye oke ite. Tụọ onye oke ite. Onye oke ite oke ọgwụ. Tụọ onye oke mmiri onye oke ọgwụ.
Oke mmiri onye oke ọgwụ.
Ọnnene. Ode. Mere ihe nwa ni. Dọwa n'ala. Esi na ọ bụrụ ọ eme gịnị? Esi na ọ bụrụ ọ eme gịnị?
All right, girl. Izuna is in town.
Which Izuna?
The one that you know.
Your baby daddy?
Yes. I saw him the other day. Before I could approach him, he left.
And you have not gone to see him? What are you waiting for?
Is that the right thing to do?
Yes. Why not?
I don't want to get hurt. What if he has moved on? What if he has found love in the arms of another woman? What if he does not care about me anymore? What if?
Old flames die hard, they say.
Like I said, I don't want to get hurt. What if he's not committed to another woman? I will never have him to myself again.
And what if he is not committed to another woman? Your daughter deserves a father figure in her life. Don't deny her this because of your mere assumptions. Hello, yes? Don't.
I came to look for Izuna. Is he at home?
Morga, Oga no dey o.
Hey. Okay, tell him that Lisa came to look for him when he comes back, okay?
Oga no dey come back now o.
He's not coming back today?
No. Oga don travel go back Dakar.
You mean he has come back?
Maybe today now.
Do you have his contacts, like his phone number?
But the number again na Nigerian number o. Yeah, and the number when he travel like this, the number no dey go again. I don't know why. I don't know why you go like collect that one.
It's okay.
Oh yeah, okay now.
Bye bye.
No problem.
Yeah. Hello. This calls for celebration. Yeah. Let's celebrate our little wine. We're gonna party tonight. Yeah, let's go to club. Club 2.1, 12 a.m. Huh? You're good to go, right? Nice one.
Hey babe, good morning. You're up.
What are you doing?
I thought you'd still be sleeping by now. You're up already.
You've not answered my question.
I woke up and I saw everywhere so messy, so I decided to tidy it.
And it begged you to tidy it? Huh?
No, I just...
Wait, you woke up in a mansion like this, no traces of kids or a woman around. So, in your head, you have found yourself a man. Eh? You now start doing wife duties. You forgot who you are. You forgot? Because I brought you back home, we do for Emegremo.
Now you listen to me. Go up, pick everything that belongs to you, and get your stupid self out of my house. Wait. Have you forgotten who you are? Eh? You don't know you are Ashawo again? Ashawo the phone wife material. My friend, go up and pack your stuff, man. I've not seen this type of... Ashawo will be behaving like a responsible person again. Oh, wow.
Okay. You didn't tell me you were coming to my house.
Yes, we just finished first semester last week, so I decided to surprise you.
Why didn't you go to surprise Mama? You decided to surprise a bachelor. Huh?
But brother, how long are you going to continue doing this? You need to find yourself a wife.
I am myself a wife. One woman is boring. Did you hear that?
Brother, wait. So you want to start jumping from one woman to the other? I don't understand. You need a wife. You're not getting any younger. You need children to start running around this house to keep it warm.
Children running in this house?
Yes.
That's okay? Yeah? Okay? Don't worry, when you have your own kids, children will run around, okay?
Hey. So my own kids will come to your house and start running around. By then, I'll be in my husband's house. I'm sorry. You just need to find yourself a wife.
Rosa!
And
quit talking. Go and make food for me. I want to eat.
Oh, you're trying to discharge me because I'm telling you the truth. And I'm just telling you the truth because I love you and you're my brother. Think about what I said.
Rosa!
Okay.
I'll get it.
You know I could help you find a wife if you don't mind. I've got good taste.
Those your lesbian partners.
Brother, I'm not a lesbian. I'm just telling you need a wife and that's it. What do you want to eat?
Go in there. Anything you see, just make for me. I'll be fine.
You see? Anything I see.
Hey, have a client.
I hope you have foodstuffs.
Otu dike mụrụ odogwu ara amadike aka mgbere ike nke emejuo ya na-eme ọzọ oke mmiri na-egbu ogbe ọ ka nne onye asị na China.
What will you do now?
I don't know. Maybe I should have visited him earlier.
You have to look for means to reach out to him.
I lost his contact. And the security man said his Nigerian number is not reached.
Have you tried his social media handles?
He hasn't posted lately. But let me check.
Any luck?
Hold on. Yeah, I found one. Let me send him a DM.
Okay.
We are running late, makeup. Makeup, you have to hurry up now. This makeup is taking too much time. I don't like this, please.
Come on,
What's
babe.
this?
It's your day. Take as much time as you like to look stunning. Yes, baby.
This makeup is taking time. Please now, hasten up. I'm running late. I don't like this thing you're doing. Seriously. I don't want my husband to get to the congregation before me. Please. I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm almost done, please. Sorry, ma'am. You have to be fast.
He can't wait. You're the prize. You can take as much time as you want to glow. At least it's once in a lifetime something, baby girl.
Yeah, baby. You can say that again.
I'm sorry, please, ma.
You have to be very fast. I don't like this. Please, this is taking too much time. I don't like it.
You don't need this. Close your eyes. You're looking pretty.
Oh, sorry.
My pretty baby.
Oh my gosh.
Smile not.
Finally, my guy is off the streets. Now I can have those weird BBA girls all to myself.
You better get ready. You are the next.
Me?
Yes.
Are you sure I'm never going to get married?
What is your problem? You have to do away with this, your mindset. I'm telling you.
Anayo, you know you're my friend and I'll always tell you the truth. Let's be honest, what do we guys gain in being married? Of course, nothing. But you know, that should be a story for another day. As your best man, let me just do my duty.
I know you don't cross road with this, your brain. Yeah?
Anayo, you know, the truth is never palatable. Like, we don't gain anything in being married. But that should be a story for some other day. Let me assist you in doing this, okay?
Please leave me. Leave it.
Let me help you.
Go and check if the cars are ready. Go.
Okay, boss.
Yeah. You. I'll do this one myself. What is it?
Your bride has been kidnapped.
What? Please stop joking.
And I am not joking. Your bride has been kidnapped.
How? My guests are in the church. And my bride is missing. You're telling me to calm down.
Mr. Nayo, you have to calm down. Yes, we are doing our best. We are gathering information. The witnesses are being interrogated. Very soon, we'll find information concerning your bride's whereabouts. You have to calm down.
See, I don't have time. Today is my day. Eh? I don't have time. Why you expect me to calm down?
Well, you have to calm down because the police are not magicians. We need information to work. And we are gathering all the informations we can lay our hands on.
Okay, for how long?
Well, I don't know, but all I can assure you is that all hands are on deck.
Hi, Jesus. Oga DPO, please now. I'm begging you, please.
You have to go home and be calm. Very soon we'll call you and give you whatever information concerning any development.
DPO, okay? How do you expect me to be calm? For Christ's sake, how do you expect me to be calm? I should go home and be calm.
As long as I know that's the best option now. You have to calm down, okay? Go home and be calm.
I heard police were interrogating you. Did you give them any useful information on how to find my wife?
I told them what happened.
What actually happened?
On our way to the church, a car double-crossed us. A man with a gun came in and took her.
Did you recognize his face?
I was too scared. I could not even look at him in the face. As a minute, I thought I was going to die.
And he didn't drop any message?
He didn't even say a word.
I know this is really serious. We need to get to the end of this issue.
I have moved on, my friend.
He hasn't responded since 2 years ago you chatted him.
He hasn't. I told you he must have moved on. I may really be a bad memory to him.
He hasn't read your messages, has he? Maybe that account is no longer functioning. Why don't you look for him on every social media platform?
I did already. The truth is, he is not the social media type. Even the Facebook account I sent a message, I created it for him while we were together.
I feel for you. Raising a child alone is not easy. You're one tough lady.
What to do? I just have to forget him and move on with my life.
You have to. Yeah.
I'm fine. Where are you coming from?
I'm looking at a pen. You wanna admire my dress?
So cute. Let me see.
Let me see the back.
Maybe I'm gonna make this step.
Do you like it?
Who made it?
Her name is Charity. She's very good. I just discovered her newly and all that.
Call your account number.
00
00
21
21
48
48
51
51
68.
Okay, which bank? Okay, I don't see him. How much did you say I'll send?
Give me 10K now, Carona.
You say? Which 10K? I'll give you 85.
Copper. Up on that.
I'm home. Who is here? Brother? Who is there? Who is there?
Mbamba kaya na balago. Mana ọsọsọ na-azụ agụ. Wesu eze anya kpo. Onye gbofuru ọpụta ọgba nje mmanwụ na-agụ arọ. Onye ọgwụ gboo. Oh dear. My brother. What is the police saying?
And they still can't find a lead to her whereabouts. Why me?
Nchade many road you aha come me. Well, I bet you she will be back safely. Trust me.
She's pregnant. What if something happens to my baby? Who is doing this to hurt me?
No, I don't think so. Okay, we'll go my anya fozo. We're fair. Oh, you know, okay, million a bogwe no. Okay, million a neguya. This is just a case of kidnap. Nothing more.
A case of kidnap? And they've not called for ransom? This is 3 days now. They've not called for ransom.
Well, I say what I want to make you. My level say cool. However it is, my brother. I want to assure you that she will be back safely. She will be back sound, hale and hearty. Whatever that happens, let me know. If anything comes up, let me know. Okay, I will answer you.
It's okay. No problem. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
So what are you? Nothing. I want name will be D. You that? We. You want to have a good and I walk on our on the more. When you have a cora, you will get a money. One. I am. What the more you are 1 year. Away. Nchari eme n'iru odogwu. N'iru ka a na-akpọ oke enwe. Achọba agwara akọ na-akpa dibịa. Maka na ọtụgba igwe ọbụla arụ. Kwụcha bụrụ ụjọ. Ha nọ m na nwụcha. Mụ bụ oke mmiri na-ebu ogwe. Oke mmiri na-ebu na-ebu ya. Nwụcha. Mba. Mụ bụ oke mmiri na-ebu ogwe. Rose.
Who are you? No. To go.
What are you doing in my house? Are you still alive?
Spirits don't die.
Well, I tried reaching out for the past 2 years, but I couldn't. I thought something might have happened.
Or you actually planned for something to happen to me.
What exactly are you talking about?
You know what I'm talking about, my friend. Whose idea was it? Yours or the native doctors?
Are you the one that kidnapped my fiancé?
You don't ask the questions. I ask the questions, you answer me.
And you stop asking me stupid questions and answer me. Are you the one that kidnapped my fiancé?
I see you think I'm here to joke. I'll ask the question one more time. Mess with me again, I'll put a bullet in your head. Who planned it all? You or Kemiri?
Kemiri.
can meditate.
Okay, where is my money?
What are you doing here? What are you doing in my house? They're long gone. Eh? What are you doing here?
I left 50 million naira in your possession. It's been 2 years. That money should be worth 100 million naira now. Where is my money?
Are you threatening me? You're threatening OK Millies or whatever. You're threatening me.
I ask again, where is my money?
Maybe I should remind you where you are. Do you know where you are? Or should I remind you?
I know exactly where I am. I'm in the house of a fraudster who defrauded me of 50 million naira. I came to you. You told me you would do Okite for me. You did that rubbish knowing fully well that it will not work. And you stole my 50 million naira. You made me go to prison in Dakar, Senegal. Now I'm back for the last time, Wokem. Kedegum.
You sound so stupid. A little boy that does not know that Okite has rules and regulations, which you may have defiled by your stupidity. And you are standing here talking to me about being fake. Eh? Okay. Okay. If you want your money, drop the gun. Keep the gun if you want your money.
I will count to 3. If you do not give me my money, I will shoot you in the head. 1, 2, 3.
You think you can come into the house of Mwam and misbehave? Listen, Niru kana abu okenwe. Ofra abu na fo aworo ndi mmụọ. Esi na ewu atan igu n'isi, ya butu oni igu opa n'isi ge utade bia igu. I'm seeing you from where I am. Na chale aka onye ori Dakar. Obo na problem nwo ga si di mmụọ ifuna. Gekwa ntị. Why na ero ogiri mara ijiji anya mkpọ na anu ya. Sibe mpụọ. Achọwa agwara akọ na badi bi odugba igwo bụrụ arụ ọbọgụ na ogbu mere anyụ na akpana. Niru ko enwe na ama. Nwoke m sibe mpụọ iso. Ị na-achagharị a ana m afụ ya.
Hello there.
Hi, how are you doing?
Sorry, not you, your friend. Hi, I'm Paul.
Lisa.
Okay, Lisa, can I quickly get your number?
What for?
So just be friends, you know.
I'm not looking for one.
Can we just go, please? Lisa, can we go? We don't have time again.
My friend is worried, so I have to go.
Oh,
sorry.
Hold on, 1 minute. 1 minute. How about, okay? Yeah. Here's my card. Give me a call, please.
Better.
I'll be expecting your call.
Okay.
God.
Alicia. What was the attitude for?
The temperature was hot, and you made me stand there for so long.
But I didn't stay up to 2 minutes talking to him. And why are you sounding like I've not stood under worse condition for your sake?
I'm sorry. I wasn't in a good mood, okay?
I thought as much. It's okay.
You took his card?
Mm-hmm.
Are you going to call him?
Not really.
Then why did you take his card?
I didn't want to be rude.
Oh. Okay. Please, can I have some water? A glass of water?
I don't understand. Is this your first time in this house? You know your way around.
Hello? You should treat me like a guest, okay? Please. Can I get a glass of water?
You get problem, or you? I'll do you same.
What can you do?
Don't worry. By the time I visit you, you'll know.
What can you do? Water?
Hey. Okirikiri ka a na-agbakwa n'ukwu ose. Ali ose enu. Ka sị na aga m ebu aha dị mma na ajị. Anayo.
Okay, Mary. There is fire on the mountain.
Why are you worked up? Why are you worked up? Listen, Dike Ike. Nodana, he was here earlier. Sit down, my brother.
Okay, Mary. Did you see the fire in his eyes? I am sure that he is responsible for the disappearance of my fiancée and your sister. We need to sort this guy out. Let's sort him out.
I have seen so many of his types. They have all come and gone. Yeah. Yes. So, his own will be different? No.
He went as far as taking my fiancé and your sister hostage before making first appearance before us. See, I know that guy back in school as a Doberman. Whenever he bites, he never lets go. Okay, we don't have to underestimate this guy. Let's sort this guy out once and for all. I know exactly what I'm saying.
Anayo, stop shaking. Stop shaking. War will come, but we must conquer. Go home and buckle up. This is another war to fight. And we must win. Listen to me, I am okay millionaire. Are you hearing me? See, I have fought so many of this kind of battle and still stand tall. Do you know why?
Yeah. I understand that now Gebo came in Nebogwe, but I want you to understand that my wife is in his custody and that woman is pregnant. See, I don't want to match with him toe to toe. You know why? Because I am the only one that will lose something and I don't want to lose that.
Mandaigo, woman who born another. If you die now, you did not die an impotent man. If your wife is in a custody of one animal, listen to me. Don't be I'm okay.
Are you listening to me? See, we don't run away from war, even though we don't look for war. But when war comes, we just trap it. We cannot run away from Ijele. Okay, Mary, I understand exactly what you're saying. Not that I'm running away from him. But listen, we need to be in the same page. I'm talking about a pregnant woman. Is in his custody. I mean, I am the only one that has something to lose. That's exactly what I'm trying to explain to you. Ijele is biting more than he can chew. Go home and buckle up.
Good, you're seeing reasons with me. I didn't even know what you saw in her in the first place. She is after one, even.
She has a child.
Well, it's not like I'm trying to rubbish her behind. But I have this character of saying things the way they are. Do you know she has a daughter whom she doesn't even know who the father is?
She doesn't know the father of her own daughter.
How will she know when she sleeps around with different men? In fact, she accused 10 men when she got pregnant after she couldn't abort it. And she has done like 10 abortions. None of them could take responsibility. Now she lives like a single mother.
Wow. I would have done a grave mistake. What was I even thinking? I think I got blindfolded choosing her over you.
Well, I can easily forgive you and give us a chance. Do you know that she uses Kayamata to attract men? And that was your own case. That was why I called to, save you from a burning fire.
Well, enough talks about her. Let's talk about ourselves since we're both here now.
Okay. Well, nothing to talk about myself. I'm just like an open book like this.
Okay.
I'm single. No child.
Okay.
No man. Very decent. In my 30s. Perfect age for marriage, right?
Exactly.
So, what about you?
You already know my name is Paul. A quiet billionaire. UK-US citizen. I'm into import, export, and industrial merchandise. I'm not bragging. Just come on. Okay, so 1 week in Nigeria and the next week in the US. Then I drop off in UK just for relaxation, Well, obviously I'm single. And I'm not looking for any relationship. Though if I find any decent girl, I'd give marriage a shot.
Sounds interesting. Come here.
What is going on?
I don't know.
Why is the noise so loud?
I don't know.
Come inside! Where is Okemiri? Where is Okemiri?
We don't know. He went out.
We
think I'm here to play? When you make Magone to stand everywhere, bring him out. Bioga, where is Okemiri? Okemiri didn't know you're going. Huh? Your Okemiri can eat my money. Egomo, I sold my property. Okay, it's Afromo. My money Afromo. And the poor to come in here. Where is Okemiri? Come on, go down. Go down. One is for you. Naya, if I count 1 to 3, and Okemiri did not come down here. You don't go back to I will start counting from you. Maybe not from you. Now count now. Where is Okemiri? One day for you.
Obu na enwere ife a na-akọ. Si mee ife ka enwe ife a na-akọ. So you're back. You have a lot of guts in you.
Yes. No guts, no glory. Where is my money?
Okay. Ọnwa bụ isi mmiri. Isi mmiri, oke mmiri na-egbu ogwe na-egwu ya. Na ife nna agwa yi. Orimiri ada atati isi mmiri jibiri isi mmiri. Achọba agwara akọ na akpa dibe otu gbara igwe ba alụ. Onye eri na-erigo adị enye change.
Can you hear me? Imanli gum na scot free. Lie. You will give me every penny of the money you took from me, 50 million naira. You will produce it today.
And if I do not give you your money, what happens? Listen, I am a master in this game.
And I am the game itself. You're trying to disappear, right? It's not working. That thing you know, I now know. I'm going to count to 3. If you do not give me my money, I will shoot you. 1, 2, 3.
Adesi enwere ibobongo. Adesi enwere ibobongo. Alusi nwere oke orimiri a na-eji asọ mmiri akwa aka na ife nna agwa yi. Orimiri a na-atata isi mmiri jibiri isi mmiri. Ofu mgbọrọgwụ ka dibịa jikarị ibia. Agara nge. Say nwanne echi, I'm your master. I told you.
Oh, now. No, oh, welcome. Welcome. Yes, my son. I want to quickly rush to the market, before it is late. Please, if you want to go out, make sure you lock everywhere.
Mama, brother called you.
Huh?
He called.
Hi. And what did he say?
He said he'll be coming back weekend. He'll be...
Did he tell you his reason of coming back?
Mama, he said he will be coming back to take us to the city.
Huh?
Yes, nah.
City kwa?
City, bam.
Mbano. I thought I told him that I don't want to live in the city. Yes. I said I don't want to stay in the city. Why is he bringing this matter up again?
Why, Mama? Oh, where you get you cannot Bopia? Mama, me. Ekene, I want to go to the city. See city, see me.
Huh?
Mama, see city, see Ekene. Ah.
You want to live only in this village? Huh? You go nowhere. Where have you been, Eja?
Mama, see, Mama, I am not getting any younger. I need to go to the city. So if Mama, I need to go there. I need to look like brother.
Some of your men that are in this village are still making it. It must not be in the city.
Making what farm? Making what farm?
I shouldn't look for you.
Mama, you will look for me. Oh.
Stay! I know. City. But you call them most of me, nonsense.
Babe, is anything bothering you? Are you okay?
Yes. It's not something I can handle. Don't worry, I'll take care of it.
Are you sure? Why don't you share with me? I could be of help.
I don't want to disturb you on my troubles, okay? That's fine.
Babe, if you love me, you will share your problems with me. What is the essence of a relationship if we can't confide in each other?
Well, it's business related.
Okay.
So I demanded a soft loan of 20 million from my bank, and their interest rate is crazy. I was even willing to pay back 25 million in 6 months, but they kept insisting that I'll pay back 30 million. Who does that?
That's outrageous.
You can say that again.
But babe, what do you need 20 million naira for? 20 million naira shouldn't bother you.
Yeah, obviously, it shouldn't bother me. It's just that I have goods worth 950 million at sea. And all of a sudden, this sudden lucrative business just popped up. And it needs 870 million for me to move on with it. It's not like I can't afford it. It's just that I can't put all my resources in one business. Reasons I went for the loan. At least I need some money in my accounts for emergencies. I just wish there's somewhere I could get a lesser rate. This stuff is getting me frustrated and angry. I can't miss this deal. This is a game changer. This deal is something that will change my life. This deal can put my name in that list, FOB list as one of the youngest rich African men.
Okay, babe. So, if I run around and raise, say, 10 million naira, will it be of help?
Of course. It's just that I don't want to put you through that stress. Just forget. Don't worry. I'll sort it out.
No. I'm not complaining. I'm doing it for both of us. Besides, we will reap the rewards together, isn't it?
Of course. It's not just in my character to accept funds from women.
Come on, I'm happy to be of help. Cheer up.
What would I do without you? Yeah?
Oh, it's so better.
I love you.
Come on.
Ah! Bastard. Where are you? Where are you? Okay, Millie is here. Where is that bastard? Gangwangandia to go down. Come down! Show your face and join your ancestors. Are you a coward? Where are you, imbecile? As now, I don't know where you are. Where are you? Show your face. Let me pieces you now. How dare you hurt mine? I swear to any Chigozie, my body dada if you put your head here. Where are you? I request to ceasefire exactly. If you move, I swear I will finish you. Your hands up! Better not move. Because if you move, I will finish you!
Onyala, you come into my compound barking like a toothless bulldog. Isn't this a confirmation that your Okite is fake? Look me in the eyes. Look at me. I am coming for everything you hold dear to your heart. Everything.
Why did you kill my sister? Why?
Are you questioning me? This is just the beginning. Have you called your mother to know how she's doing? Make the call.
Hello? Hello, brother? Mama left for the market too and hasn't returned. I've been calling her, she's not even picking. I even went to the market to search for her, but I didn't see her. Brother? Wait. Did you hear anything about Mama? Hello, brother? Hello, brother?
Where is my mother?
Onyala, in Okite. Why don't you tell your Okite to find your mother?
If anything happens to my mother, you can do anything to...
My friend, shut up, Inayala. Shout again in my compound and I'll cut you into pieces and feed you to my dogs. Your mother's corpse will be dropped before your doorstep in the next 4 days if you don't provide my money in cash. 50 million naira.
Izuna, you are actually fighting the wrong person. Because it is one of your fingers that scratched your eyes. Where is my mother? Let my mother go.
Feli, why have you been avoiding me?
Avoiding you, okay? Why should I?
I don't know. You no longer call me like before, and when I call, you don't take my calls.
Well, maybe I have finally discovered what to do with my life lately, instead of roaming around yours. You know the world does not revolve around you.
Felicia, I didn't mean it that way. We are friends.
Anyways, I got busy. That's all.
Hey, wait. Did you see that guy's card? That guy now, Paul. The one that we met together that day.
What kind of question is that? Did you show me any complimentary card? He gave you the card, you took it, and you never showed it to me. So why are you asking me about the card?
It's just that I put it inside my handbag and You were the only person that was with me that day.
No. Hold on. Are you directly accusing me of stealing a man's card? No, wait. Oh. Now, see finish with this, so what did they worry you, the crest? Eh? You don't rate me again now. You don't rate, you look me finish. They talk say I steal man card. Lisa, please don't provoke me now. In fact, I'm leaving.
No, just calm down.
What's that?
Calm down.
What's that?
Calm down. I didn't mean it that way. I was only curious. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to insult.
No, you did that already. You just did that already.
I'm sorry.
Besides, you said you weren't going to call the guy. So why are you curious about the guy?
It's okay. Let me go check what's on fire.
I almost lost my life today. Please, protect me. People are after my life. They almost cut me into pieces today. With cutlass. You made charms for me against guns, but you didn't make charm for me against cutlass and machetes.
Cutlass?
Yes. So please, machete, that is what I want you to do for me. Because I almost lost my life today.
Okay. Don't worry. After this time out, you shall become indestructible. Whether it is machete, bombs, bullets, grenades.
Oh, that is
razor blades. No shall penetrate this body.
This is why I talk about you, Abunja. Yes.
Don't worry. The gods shall do it for you. But it requires huge sacrifice.
Sacrifice kwa. Abunja I na tabu na ngara before the meeting abia. I dibi me je no okay. Why na paraffin me swallow ranni? Is it not my life? Whatever it will take for me to be protected, I don't care. Name it biko. Wa mo gunu eze ma adana. Ana ma na azu agba short ebe mpaji na oba.
Hi. What are you looking for, madam?
Don't you know me?
I know you, ma. That's why I'm asking.
Okay, so can I see your guy? Is he around?
It's not a he. It's a she. She doesn't live here.
I don't understand. Have you not seen me here before with your boss?
No, ma. I've never seen you with my madam before. Ma, this is a short-let apartment. The man you normally visit has checked out.
You're joking, yeah? I know you're joking. This is Paul's house. In fact, one of his houses in town. Please, let me see him. Is he around?
Ma, you can ask around. You can ask around. No one lives here. Thank you, ma.
My money! My money! Hi! My money!
Mama, what are you doing here?
I don't know. I don't know. I was on my way to the market. A car drove past and stopped beside me. A man inside the car now asked me, Mama, are you not tired of working under the sun? I said, yes, Mom. I am tired though. He now offered to help me off to the market. Where Bali a motor. I entered though, my dear, there's no market. CBC market though. Hey! And you? What are you doing here in your wedding gown?
I was kidnapped on my wedding day.
Kidnapped on your wedding day? And what are your kidnappers saying?
Nothing. We were two before. A young girl. But they took her away.
Took her away? To where?
I don't know. She was putting on NYSC uniform. She said her name is Rose. She said she was kidnapped in her brother's house the day she returned from NYSC.
Rose?
Yes.
Her name is Rose. Hey! Have you have Rose? Mbakwa. Mbakwa, no. No, let it not be what I'm thinking, no. Rose, let it not be what I'm thinking, no.
Is there any problem?
Let it not be what I'm thinking, no. Rose.
Are you okay? Is anything the problem? What is it?
Rose.
Hey. Wow. Felicia, I thought you were my friend. How could you take such a risk for a man? Eh?
See, I'm going through a lot right now. You should be consoling me, not scolding me.
Consoling you, you say? Consoling you? If then tell una make una know they snatch rubbish, una no go here. Now you don't go snatch rubbish now. Look at the thing that you snatched. When I asked you, did you see his card? You were busy denying. I was just laughing in my mind because I knew you actually stole his card from my bag. See her now. See your life.
I didn't know what came over me. I'm sorry.
Nothing came over you. You were only blinded by jealousy and envy.
I've lost my money. Is that not enough punishment for me? Is that not? What do you want me to do?
I'm happy you learned your lesson in a hard way.
Oh God.
Have you reported the case to appropriate authority?
Confused. I don't even know what to do. I'm confused. I don't even know what to do.
Let me change into something else. We need to go to the police station to make a report. Alright? Put yourself together and stop.
What do you want? Look me in the eye, Anaya, and tell me the whole truth. Are you the mastermind?
Would my answer change anything?
Shame on you, Anayo. You should be ashamed of yourself. Big fool. I came to you like a brother. I needed your help. I was down. What did you do? You kicked the man who was already down. You took me to a fraudster who stole my 50 million naira. Shame on you.
There's no brother in jungle. You of all people should know that. I mean, it was business. And you should let go. You are not the first person, and you will not be the last. Izuna, you are not a saint. You should forget about all this. One day, onye riri go ya.
Big lie, one day. Naiman Lim. Look me in the eyes, Anayo. Naiman Lim, one Naiman Liegum. My 50 million naira, you will produce it today, here and now.
I thought you were apprehended in Dakar. Supposed to have been killed by now.
You're surprised, right? I'm not an easy man to kill. Let me tell you something. Give me my 50 million naira right now.
I don't have any money to give you.
To God I'm going to count to 3. If you do not produce my money, I'll shoot you in the head right now. 1, 2.
Yeah, I'll be revenge, no matter what it takes. I will revenge. This is so unfair to do to a fellow man.
No, if you go nise so mom. You say that Mpakanaga Monzo, Manozo Gana. Kami oburu wundo na. Wanne oburu Mpakana nine kozo geti nyoba there where na.
I'll be revenge, no matter what it takes. I will revenge. This is so unfair to do to a fellow man. No, I will revenge. I go Nelisa Quibea. Yeah, this is so unfair to do to a fellow man.
There is fire on the mountain. There is fire on the mountain.
You're speaking in
Ijele has killed my wife.
What?
Ijele has killed my wife.
Ijele has beaten more than he can chew. Eh? What is this? That idiot is still having my mother after killing my only sister. What?
Okay, Millie, listen. Let's look for his money and give him. We need to sort... Wait, let's sort him out.
Mba. Nchare meni iru odogwu. Dike na enyo enwo onyi ma nwe itiri onyi ma nwoke itiri ebu nwanyị. Enyo nwoke enyo nwanyị fana baba egeli eli. Onye eli na eli ga change. Listen, I am ready to match him fire to fire. Bumper to bumper. Whatever he wants, I will go with him. What are you saying?
Okay, let's look for money and give this guy.
Anayo, let us dance like men and still stop like men. Let us not dance like men and stop like women. I'm going to somewhere. Are you coming with me? Can you feel the cook on Ibron? Okay. Ibron, okay. You want to go by Abotobio wife, Gewante. Why in a rogiri? Mali Janyambo. Do you want to come with me? Come if you want. If you don't want, stay. I am a room. I don't know. Haguncha. What is going on? This is the medicine man that prepares my jam. He told me to come today, bring some items. Oh my. You just acted so fast. Alright, let's go. Let's leave here.
I searched for you after my father's burial. I couldn't find you. I even went to your parents. I asked them. They couldn't give me any useful information on your whereabouts. But I searched.
You shouldn't have asked. You know they were never in support of our relationship.
You're right. How have you been?
Just there. Hanging on. Hoping. But it's good to see you again.
Same here. You don't know how happy I am to see your face again.
So, how is your family?
My family? I missed you, Lisa.
That didn't answer my question.
You asked about my family?
Yes.
Well, my family is here with me.
Oh, okay. Extend my regards to them. My greetings.
Why don't you do that yourself?
No. You call them yourself.
Lisa. The only family I have is right here in front of me. I still love you, Lisa.
Okay, Miri, so what do we do?
At this point, Miri juru arụ ọnụ. Nwata nwere ife ọ ekwu. Mana o jekwara ya nwata kwuo. I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
Anaghị o nwere ife nwatakịrị ya ebekata akwa ka a sị ya jee na ngada nne ka o wee kwụsị. Nọdụ ana. Let us think. What's the problem? Hey, kedu na ibe ahụ eme abana wee sụọ ya nni? Ọdụnnụ ka ahụ eme abana sụọ ya ji. Anaghị.
So what do we do?
Anaghị, listen to me. O nwere ife nwatakịrị ya ebekata akwa ka a sị ya jee na ngada nne ka o wee kwụsị. Nọdụ ana, let's think. Nọdụ ana. Mba. Sọsọ isi nọ na egbu ekwuru. Mmadụ nọ na egbu ọgbafọ ọsọ. Mba. Isi kama isi ya akwụ anwụrụ n'ime ite. Ka ọchịchị ụzọ ya na dinta si gba ọsọ n'ime ọfịa. Ka m bịa na nchara eme n'iru odogwu. Mba.
So where are you going now?
Ma bịa, ana m abịa. Nchara eme n'iru odogwu.
Then who is Uliri and who is Dinta?
Ogi bụ dinta. Who bụ Uliri?
Who are you?
Hey! Asị na eke na onye gwọrọ akịdị, mgbe ọ ya agwa ọzọ tinye mpụrụ sụkụ. Oke ite, ya kwepụta ebe ego.
bute efe ego na ife eji enyere ndụ aka n'ibe ngọ n'ọghọ nwoke enye unu ụmụ nwaanyị enye unu ndị kirikiti ọba enye unu ndị nnekwute ọba enye unu tuoni oke ite tuoni oke ite tuoni oke ite tuoni oke ite oke ọgwụ unu ma anọ n'iru ka a na-akpọ oke enwe si na unu ya aka unu ya akọta si na unu ya akọ ma ọ ya amị si na unu ya egbu n'aka na unu ya egbute unu ya egbu n'aka ekpe unu ya egbute oke ite nnekwu ọgwụ.
We sold everything for his Okite when our Indonesian visa came out. One of us died. He's fake. He's fake. Fake. So many other victims are out there. So many other.
So why did you come to me?
We've been chasing him for days. Then we realized you was after him. You've already shaken him open, made him restless. We want to join hands with you and make him pay for his crimes.
Well, I appreciate your resilience and your fearlessness. But unfortunately, I do not need a team to take him down. I work alone.
We understand you perfectly. Manobile wamo. Obile wamo. But I want to assure you that we are at your beck and call anytime, any day. You can call on us. An enemy to my enemy. Busy boy, always ready for you, sir. Anytime.
Thank you.
Yeah, I will revenge. No matter what it takes, I will revenge. This is so unfair to do to a fellow man. No, I will revenge.
I didn't get to tell him about his daughter.
Why? Does he have another woman?
He said no. And he didn't give me reason to doubt him. He even had to take me to his house. I didn't see anything that belongs to a woman there.
So, did you tell him?
I was skeptical. Or I think it was too soon. Maybe he might think I became desperate and want to hang a child on his neck. I didn't want to give him reason to doubt me now.
Anyway, you're right. But sooner or later, you have to tell him about your daughter.
Sure, I will. I will just look for the right time.
So, it's okay. Everything will work out well, okay? Shall we?
I have lost everything. What else do I need to protect? If he wants war, I will give him war. An eye for an eye.
Lisa, what's wrong?
Nothing.
You can't say nothing. You can't tell me nothing. I can tell from the look on your face, something is wrong. Look, I know we've been apart for quite some time. A lot must have happened with you. Whatever it is, you can share with me.
Suna, it's not like I want to tie you down, but I think it's wise I share it with you now.
I'm here. I'm listening.
We have a daughter.
What? We have a daughter.
Yes.
You and I.
I realized I was pregnant a few weeks after you traveled. I couldn't reach you.
Oh, good day, sir.
Izuna.
Sir.
So you have the guts to come to my compound after stealing my daughter for many years. Izuna, where's my daughter?
I don't know what you are talking about, sir.
I say, where did you keep my daughter?
I don't know, sir. I just got back to Nigeria yesterday. And I came to see Mona.
Are you trying to tell me that my daughter did not run away with you?
Not at all, sir. I've been out of the country for a while. I've been in Senegal for some years. I just got back. I have not seen Mona for some time. So I came to see her.
So
No idea, sir.
where did my Mona go to then?
No idea, sir.
When I found out I was pregnant, I had to run away because my father would behead me if he finds out.
That means no one knows about the child.
Yes.
So where is she now?
In my house.
Wow. I'm sorry.
Why?
I left you to go through this journey of motherhood alone. I wasn't there for you. Forgive me. It will not happen again. I promise you I will never leave you again.
It's okay.
So, who is she with?
My nanny.
My daughter, I am very sorry for what I've made you to pass through. I thought I was doing the right thing for you. But believe me, I'm very sorry.
I understand, Papa. I'm not holding it against you. I'm happy now. At least I can stand before you to present to you the man I want to marry.
Son,
Papa,
I give you all my blessings. I'm not holding any back or savor. But I want you to do for me one thing. Only one thing. Please, take good care of my daughter.
all right, Papa. I will do just that. Yes, she's my responsibility now.
Oh, good. Well, I am waiting. Anytime you are ready, please let us know.
Very soon, Papa. Very soon.
Oh.
How did you get into my house?
You really think that I'm that weak?
Sweetheart, take Meso inside. Now, go. Keep going.
Wow. You have family. You must have worked so hard to keep them private.
You have no right to talk about my family. Where's my money?
I am here to take the corpse of my fiancée, whom you killed.
I see you're taking my meekness for weakness. I've given you enough time to give me back my money, but you keep wasting my time.
I have nothing more to lose. The worst and the greatest mistake you made was to kill my wife. I will unleash the beast in me. You will so bear the consequences. I will hit you so hard that you will feel the pain.
You're a madman. Do you know your real name? Judas. That's what you are. You looked me in the eyes and you betrayed your own brother. You should be ashamed of yourself. Then you stand in my living room and challenge me, Ijele Nadaka, and you threaten me. I'll punish you.
Go punish you.
Thunder fire.
Thunder fire you.
Waka.
Abamuge there.
One nigga in me gum. God, you're not living here. Leave my house. Let me see. Leave, let me see.
Anasigom.
Nah, careful.
Do you know how?
Nah.
Do you know how I came in?
Nyemegum.
Babe. What is wrong?
Nothing. I'm fine. I was just meditating.
Did you kill anyone?
I see you were eavesdropping, right? He was my friend. He used to be my friend. Good friend, so I thought. I had issues. I came back from Dakar. I shipped some goods worth 500 million naira. The goods were seized. I didn't know what to do. I tried to get the goods out, didn't work. So I went to him. I opened up to him. I told him I needed help. He said he could help me. He took me somewhere to a fake native doctor. I didn't know the guy was fake. He charged me 50 million naira for Okite. According to him, his Okite will make them release my goods. I had to sell my only inheritance, my only piece of land. And my father told me not to sell that land. He made me promise him that I wouldn't sell that land. But I sold it. I gathered the money, gave to the idiots. He did the nonsense that he did for me. I went back to Dakar, was arrested. I spent 2 years in prison. And miraculously, I escaped after 2 years. I got back to Nigeria, only to find out that this asshole, someone I confided in, someone who's supposed to be my friend, he actually teamed up with that fake native doctor and defrauded me of my money, 50 million naira.
Did you kill his wife?
You're here. Okay, Miri.
My brother.
What is this money for?
My brother, I'm tired. I'm tired. I need to return this money to that guy. I'm so tired of this rubbish.
How?
I need to have peace.
It's not possible. We can't succumb to defeat.
We are losing everything. The lives of our loved ones are at stake. We have lost virtually everything. My reputation is crumbling. I think dialogue is the final bus stop. Let us return this money right now, and accept that this was a bad business from the beginning.
Listen, we lost the battle from the beginning because we thought he had nothing to lose. We can't return this money.
So what has changed? What has changed? He has nothing to lose. Listen to me, fighting that guy is like fighting someone who is on the ground. Someone who is on the ground cannot and will never be afraid of falling. See, you don't understand how I picture this in my head. Let's return this money.
We're not going to return this money. He has something to lose.
Oh, yeah. Na money we dey chase, na money be fine, papa. I day by day, we dey for street dey hustle. I whether na by crook or maybe by hook, money must be made. I say money must be made. I no get the way, anyway na way. Money must be made. I say money must be made. Joy, mango they hustle. Mango make money. Anyway na way. So far money must be made. Mango they hustle. Mango make money. Anyway na way. So far money must be made. Oh, yeah. Na money we dey chase, na money be fine, papa. Day by day, we we there for sweet things.
Meso is gone. Meso.
Calm down. Meso.
Yes, she's gone. Yes.
What do you mean gone?
A man came to the school before me and he took her away.
Took our daughter away?
Yes, babe. Nothing should happen to her. Nothing should happen to my daughter.
Calm down. When did this happen?
I don't know, just now. Before I got there. Please do something. Please do something. Please. Nothing should happen to me, so.
Nothing will happen to her. How much is it?
50 million naira.
I'll confirm it later. Zip up.
Where
is my daughter?
I don't have your daughter.
You think I'm here to joke? Where is my daughter?
He said he's with your daughter. I don't have her.
Nise. Move him up, let's go. Oh, good. Get the money, let's go.
And what is this?
In here is 50 million naira. I want my only inheritance back.
Well, Izuna, that land is not for sale, okay? Okay. I'll get you the papers. Please.
Where is my daughter?
Where is my wife?
Where is my daughter?
I said, where is my wife?
Shoot him!
Shoot who?
Shoot him!
Shoot him! What? Shoot him! This is the police. Bring your gun down. Bring your gun down.
Drop the gun and move it.
Who is there? Who is there?
Is this Zona's house?
Yes. Mommy! You okay? Are you okay? Miss, are you fine? Oh, you okay? Are you fine? Oh God, thank you, Jesus. Officer.
Oh, yeah. Aye, na money we dey chase, na money be fine, papa. Aye, day by day, we dey for street, dey hustle. Aye, whether na by crook or maybe by hook, money must be made. I say money must be made. Aye.